Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to speak English in a very common real-life situation, at the restaurant. We will go through useful phrases, simple questions, and natural conversations that you can use when ordering food or talking to a waiter. Let's start when you arrive at the restaurant. The waiter may say, "Hello, how many people?" You can reply, "A table for 2, please." "A table for 3, please." "A table for 1, please." Now you sit down, and the waiter gives you the menu. You might hear, "Here is the menu." Or, "Are you ready to order?" If you are not ready, you can say, "Can we have a few more minutes, please?" Very natural and polite. Now let's talk about ordering food. When you are ready, you can say, "I would like the chicken pasta, please." "Can I have a cheeseburger, please?" "I'll have a salad." All of these are natural and commonly used. If you want something to drink, you can say, "Can I have a bottle of water, please?" "I would like a coffee." "I'll have a juice." Now imagine you want to ask a question about the food. You can say, "What do you recommend?" "Is this dish spicy?" "Does this contain nuts?" These questions are very useful, especially if you are not sure what to order. Now let's move to a small conversation. "Waiter, are you ready to order?" You, "Yes, I'll have the grilled fish and a glass of water, please." "Waiter, anything else?" You, "No, that's all, thank you." Very simple and natural. Now after you finish eating, the waiter may ask, "Would you like the bill?" You can say, "Yes, please." "Can I have the bill, please?" In American English, you may also hear a check here instead of a bill. Now let's talk about paying. You can say, "Can I pay by card?" "Do you accept cash?" "I'll pay by card, please." All very common phrases. Now here is a useful tip. In restaurants, polite language is very important. Instead of saying, "I want a coffee," it is better to say, "I would like a coffee, please." It sounds much more natural and polite. So let's quickly review. At a restaurant, you will ask for a table, order food and drinks, ask questions about the menu, ask for the bill, pay politely. Before we finish, try this. Imagine you are in a restaurant right now. What would you say? "A table for 2, please." "I would like the pasta." "Can I have the bill, please?" If you can say these sentences, you are ready for real conversations in English restaurants. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.